In this tutorial video for leading media proDigi, we show you how practical the smart target value search is for precise budget planning. The client Sunshine Tours has set a budget of €70,000 in the briefing for the digital campaign, Citytrip to Berlin. After all the planned placements have been entered, we realize that the budget has been exceeded by around €4,000. After asking the client, we are allowed to increase the limit to €80,000. To make the best use of the new residual budget, there is no need to calculate or try. Leading Media does it automatically. I select the positions for which we want to increase the booked volume. Then, I call up the options menu of the Smart Target Value search with the Target Value button. Here I activate the option that increases the booked volume in relation to the client net excluding ads serving so that the desired budget is reached. The marked positions are now all automatically increased by the same factor. And the desired budget of €80,000 is achieved precisely. The other way round, the original budget of €70,000 could just as easily have been enforced. Don't miss the next videos in which we show you how the display of technical costs and the automatic consideration of free space make your work as a digital planner easier.